Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is D and this is D's Rides. Today we are going to talk about something that a lot of beginners have issues with, and that is learning how to ride on the highway. My bike right there, that is Geisha, a 2023 Suzuki Hayabusa. So today, everybody, we are going to talk about driving on the highway. And I know a lot of beginners, and I'm a beginner myself, don't think that I'm out here trying to be something that I'm not. But there are a couple things that I've learned over the year, that has allowed me to really be comfortable with driving on the highway, and that's getting on and off. What I usually do when I started off learning to drive on the highway, I would get on the highway, and then the next exit I would get off. And what that allowed me to do is it allowed me to become comfortable with matching the speed of traffic, getting on the highway, and then hurry up and getting off. So let's go ahead. We're about to jump on the bike, jump on the good Hayabusa, and we're about to get on the highway. It's a nice day out. As you can see, you just heard those motorcycles. Everybody is out here today. All right, here we go. We are about to get on the highway, ladies and gentlemen. The highway is not a scary place. Just take your time when you get on the highway, and you'll be just fine. All right, we are taking our time, but we are merging onto the highway. What we are doing, we are taking our time. We're not getting over to the far left lane because, of course, that is the fast lane, and it is nothing more. There's nothing more annoying than somebody, whether it's car or motorcycle, getting over in the left-hand lane and they're driving slow. I think here in Maryland, you must get over to the right-hand lane if you are driving slower than the car behind you. But as you can see, I'm just enjoying the day. It is a nice day out here, and we are just being careful. I'm ahead of traffic. I'm in a good pocket right now. I don't have very much traffic ahead of me. I got a few cars behind me, and I'm just keeping my eye on them. But I'm just rolling. It's nothing scary about it. I am going to get off on this next exit because that's what we are doing as a beginning rider, to get comfortable with riding on the highway. Now, this isn't a super busy highway, but it's a highway nonetheless. And so we want to make sure that what we are doing, we are being safe, we are making sure that people aren't around us acting stupid, and we want to do everything that we can to make sure that we make it back home safely. And we're about to get off. That's all it took. Getting on the highway, you're on there for maybe a minute or two, maybe sometimes longer, just depending on how far apart your exits are. You know, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to kind of assess how I did, get my composure back about me. And yeah, take it from there. So there we go. Feeling good. Feeling good, everybody. All right, I am going to pull over right here. Put the bike in neutral. And I'm gonna sit right here. What we are doing, we're just coming here, we're just resting, kind of doing a self-evaluation. How did you feel? What are some of the things that you could have done better? What are some of the things that you did right? It's important to acknowledge things that you've done right as well. It doesn't always have to be, let me focus on the bad. Focus on some of the good things that you did too. Braking, coming to a stop, this is catered to the beginner. So you're always constantly working on those fundamentals. And even as an experienced rider, you're still working on those fundamentals. So, like I said, what could I have done better? There was no traffic really, and so that was a good thing. When I came off the exit and at the stop sign, was a little bit jerky getting onto the throttle. So I want to make sure that I fix that. At a point in time, you will become comfortable, and then just keep extending those the number of exits before you get off. So the first time, you know, get off on every exit that comes up. Second time, maybe every 3 exits, you know, just depending on how you feel. If you're feeling comfortable with everything, you know, that's all that matters. Time to go for another exit. We are getting onto the on-ramp, and I need to match the speed at which these cars are rolling. Cars do not have to slow down for me. I need to slow down for them or speed up past them. I get off on this exit. I'm just gonna keep on going down the road. My man is riding the hell out. I am not trying to catch up with him. I am not trying to do any of that. So once again, we're just riding out. We're doing about 5 over the speed limit, you know, but we're going with the flow of traffic. So we're getting off an on-ramp, or getting onto an on-ramp, going to another highway. And this one is a lot busier than the one I just got off of. Excuse me. So I want to make sure that I'm getting ready. I need to merge with the flow of traffic. Speed limit is about 60, and so I want to make sure I'm going at least that. I'm looking in my side view mirror. I see that there's a truck. I'm going to speed up a bit to make sure that I can get in front of him. Look over, and there we go. Well, I need to get out of these people's blind spots, so I'm going to speed up a bit. Blind spots are your enemies. So if you want more bike content, go ahead and click on this video over here. If you want more Corvette content, go ahead and click on this link over here. Thank you guys very much, and we will see you later. Gone.